Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing opportunities, resources for you guys. In today's video, I will be sharing some location-based startup lists like for Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, Gurgaon, Mumbai. Okay, with the help of these resources, you can find hundreds of jobs for your relevance. I mean, according to your requirement. Don't skip this video if you want more resources and how you can use this startup list. Okay, before starting the video, if you're new to this channel and you're looking for off-campus placement, then subscribe and turn on the bell icon because you will get all the resources for your job search, any placement material which can be very helpful. I have already shared and will be sharing regularly. Go check it out, and if anything else you need, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to share with you guys. Also, if you are looking for referral, then don't miss this opportunity. Visit on TopMate where you can ask referral in your dream company. So here just fill your basic details. Many people will reach out to you and ask for referral. Introduce about yourself, how you are good fit, for what role you need referral. Many people will connect with you. Also, there is a referral in 15-minute feature where you can ask referral from the employees of these top companies. Okay, for example, if you need an EPAM, so here you can ask referral in EPAM for free. Many are giving for paid. If you can afford, then you can do that because they check the seriousness and they also want some benefit. So go check it out. And if you need a referral template, here in the portal I have added cold email template and referral template, LinkedIn connection request, all the templates you will get in this here. Use it and customize according to your requirement. Okay. So now coming back to our video, if you're looking for jobs in Bangalore, then visit this startup list. In this startup list, you find hundreds of jobs. Don't skip this video, watch completely. And now I'm gonna tell how you can utilize it. Okay. So first thing, you have a LinkedIn profile where you can ask referral as well as you can find jobs. First of all, you have to go to the job section. Here you can find list of open job openings, and you for this you can directly apply the filter like which entry level, remote, experience. Apply filter and find the job openings according to your requirement, eligibility. Now on their LinkedIn profile, you can find the list of employees of this company. From them, you can ask referral. I have already shared the referral template. Here, utilize it by asking referral with these employees. Right? How to get the employees list data on their profile? Here you will get the list of all the employees. And if you just filter with by HR, you will get all the HRs of these companies. Right? These are the HR, and connect with them, ask for job inquiry डेली, मतलब डेली ट्राई करो, किसी ना किसी से रिस्पॉन्स तो आएगा. राइट. ऐसे ही सारी कंपनीज के लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल को विजिट करिए एंड आस्क फॉर रेफरल और अप्लाई डायरेक्टली. ऑल्सो with the website links you can find list all the current job openings. So अभी तो इसमें वेबसाइट लिंक है, आपको करियर सेक्शन फाइंड करना है. You can easily find in the footer and navbar. So here you can find the list of all the openings and apply filter and find according to your eligibility. Same you will get for a Pune startup list. You will get for Hyderabad startup list. You will get for Gurgaon startup list. So all the links will be in the description. I have told you how to utilize this. So visit every startup list and apply, because job search is a time taking and it takes a lot of effort. So एक दिन में आपको जॉब नहीं मिलेगा, आपको डेली अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा एंड आपको अपनी ऑप्टिमाइज करना. अगर आपको रिज्यूमे ऑप्टिमाइज करना है, जस्ट विजिट ऑन लेट्स कोड, यूज आवर एआई टूल। ओके, साइन अप कर लीजिएगा एंड हेयर विजिट एआई टूल। Here you can optimize your LinkedIn profile as well as your resume according to the job description. So यहाँ पे अपना ATS score check कर सकते हैं. Paste the job description, whichever the job for job you are applying. Okay, and then here upload your resume. It will check how ATS friendly is your resume. What are the chances of your getting shortlisted? I mean, कितना keywords match कर रहा है और कितना वो है. According to the role, you can also optimize software engineer role, select the industry, and then your resume and optimize. It will give you all the suggestions where you can improve. Okay, so all the links will be in the description. अगर और कुछ चाहिए तो कमेंट करो. वीडियो हेल्पफुल रहा हो तो like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.